So we got this BMW missing on cylinder number 3. I'm gonna show you the importance of how you have to make sure all your connectors are plugged in correctly. See the space between here and there? Looks fairly even. The space between there and at the back, at that one, looks pretty good. Look right here. Totally different, right? This connector is not plugged in all the way. So let's lift this up and watch how I'm gonna push that forward all the way in. See that? Then I'm gonna put the catch down. And that's how it's supposed to look. And that's why we were misfiring on cylinder number 3. Just product knowledge there. All right, quick fix.